Alright, hey guys, so I want to make a video on how to make um, a fairy, or you can use this to learn how to make stands, but I like to do it this way. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I have here is I have this dummy already set up. This is going to be our fairy. I thought it looked pretty good. So there's a couple of aspects I wanted to show you about this. So in the head, we can see there's actually two image files here. One of them is the face, of course. So, wait, what the? Oh, that's weird. But anyway, that's the face, but there's also this, which this is the mouth. So, this may look a little bit weird, but it actually kind of looks cool because if I do this, then it kind of looks like she's talking in a way, and that's what I want. So, and I also have this little twinkle effect, which sounds like that. So we'll use that too. And yeah, so that's not too bad. So usually you want to figure out first how you want everything to go. So first things first, I want this like when I spawn into the game, I want this to already be like on my character or attached to my character. So, well, actually, if we play the game right now, we can already see that we have a bit of a problem. And that's that the fairy's just a tad too big. And also I forgot to switch the game to R6. It doesn't really, it really won't matter which one you have, but I prefer R6, so we're going to keep it that way. But anyway, let's first go ahead and make a copy and then shrink it down. So I think this is a good size, maybe a bit smaller, there we go. Yeah, that's a really good size actually, so we'll keep it that way. The dummy or humanoid, I want to change the name of the humanoid. I'm gonna call it a mob. The reason why is because if we're gonna put this into a sword fighting game or any game with combat, then it's basically will end up killing the dummy, which we don't want that, so we're gonna change it to mob. Next, what we'll do is go ahead and well, first we want to figure out how we're going to attach this. So I think what we'll do is we'll make a new script service. So script, we're going to go ahead and remove this local players equals game get service. And you could, if you want, you can do it this way. Or if you want, you can have players equal game dot players. That's the simplest way, but I kind of like to go with the service just because it's a bit it's just good practice. So anyway, now that I have that, we do players dot player added, connect that to a function, and we're already on a good track. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another folder in lighting. So folder, I'm gonna name this fairies. I'm gonna make a new variable, fairy morphs equals game.lighting, wait for child, and then fairies. Here we go. So player that was added, print player, what next? Player dot name dot dot was added to the game. Or actually, no, was given a fairy. There we go. So fairies will be like companions or something like that. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and put fairy into here, rename her as, I don't know, what should Aldrin? Nah, that's stupid. Oh man. I can only think of guy names right now. I'm stupid. We'll name her Allison, I guess. That's a good name. Allison, or actually no, we'll name her Ivy. That's perfect. So Ivy will be in there. We'll take Ivy, or actually we'll do player.character loaded connect, and then the character, no, not function, and then character. And so let's just print, or we'll test this real quick. So to make sure that everything's working right. Nope, that's not. I thought it was something different. So character added. Let's try this. Sometimes I get event names mixed up. Yeah, okay. Here we go. So that worked. Next, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and give this player a random fairy from the fairies folder. So local new fairy equals game, or equals fairy morphs dot fairy morphs 1 2. Oh wait, no. Yeah, that should be it. 2 fairy morphs children. Now I'm not gonna. I'll explain this after I figure out, or after I get it working, because I want to make sure it's working right. You know what? We're just gonna go with fairy morphs, and then find first child fairy, or not fairy, Ivy, because that's the name. It's working, right? That's odd. Oh, that's why. There, fairy morphs. Okay, so if new fairy doesn't equal no, because we want to check if this actually exists, and then if it does exist, then we're good. So we'll go on to next thing. New fairy dot, actually local weld equals instance dot new weld. There we go. New fairy dot, wait, we don't need to make that, so weld dot part 0 equals new fairy, and then weld dot part 1 equals character dot humanoid root part. And then we'll put weld dot parent. We'll put the weld piece inside of the character. No, not the character. New fairy. And then also set new fairy as set new fairy inside the character, so that'll be good. Alright, so we'll go ahead and test this. This is probably going to be broken, but we'll try it anyway. So we load into the game. We got oh crap, we got an error. That's very odd. So let's see what we did wrong here. Oh, that's what we did wrong. Humanoid root part. There we go. We didn't set it as a part, we set it as a model, which is, yeah, that's not a good idea. So, alright, no errors now. So, here we can see that some bad things happened. Not what we wanted, but let's go ahead and look. So, we can see that Ivy is inside of us, which is not what we wanted. If we take her out, she's like, oof, something weird happened there. Here, actually, I do want to take her out just for a moment to see. So yeah, the wings got detached for some reason. I'm going to fix that real quick. And hope, oh gosh, wait a minute. Oh, that's really funky. It's 0.2. let's run this to see what happens. Ooh, that is not looking good. So we're going to fix this a little bit. That's a bit better. Okay, I think that works. Let's see if it doesn't get... Oh yeah, that got messed up. Crap. Here we go. There we go. Let's move it up one. Oh, that didn't move it up. 0.5. Oh, too much. 7. There we go. Maybe a little more. Alright. There we go. Move this up one tiny bit more. Perfect. 5. Alright, so let's copy this. Alright. Paste it into the here. Even though it's not where we want, it's fine. So we can go ahead and put this back into here, or the fairies. And now we're good. So, and also I don't need that anymore. So what's the problem going on here? Well, we're kind of getting a problem with the positioning, so we're going to go ahead and fix that. So well.c0 equals cframe dot new. We're going to get it character position, or character cframe. So cframe times cframe dot new, and we're going to make it move backwards. So I think we're going to have to change this value to -2. Alright, so we'll go ahead and play here. Alright, so we're getting a little bit of a weird thing going on here. So we can see that that's going on. And yeah, that's not good. Alright, what happened? What did we do wrong? Maybe we should change it to +2. Let's see what happens. We may get the same stupid thing going on. Yeah, we did. Alright. I think I know what's going on first. So it adds in that, but it's not changed. Which means we should probably go and change that first. Okay. So, new fairy dot humanoid root part dot cframe equals that, and then we'll set it like that. So let's see what happens. Nope. Ooh, this is making me mad. Let's try character. Oh wait, no. Player dot character appearance loaded weight. Alright, let's see what that fixed it. No, I'm never a professional here. No. Oh wait, we did get something a bit different. But yeah, that didn't fix it. I'm gonna keep that there. Yeah, nah, I don't want to do that. Oof. What is going on here? Humanoid part dot cframe equals character dot humanoid part. Guess we'll let's remove that just for a moment. And oh, dang it, I messed up. Let's go ahead and play like normally. See what happens. Alright, so we now that no, wow, okay, so that's how. Alright, let's remove this again. Alright. So that's the problem. I didn't load in correctly. I loaded in with the play here. Ooh, but that's not good either. Oh man. Alright. Oh wait, I know what's going on. We don't actually need this. I'm being stupid. We just need this. Alright. Yep, here we go. So yeah, that showed up on the left, which is kind of what we want, but also kind of not. So we'll move that and then move it up. Actually, we'll make this negative because I want it on the right shoulder. Or like sort of right, to the right of you. Ooh, uh-oh. I don't know what happened. Oh wait, I know what happened. Turn this negative. Alright, let's try that again. Obviously this is going to be a lot of testing, so oof. Alright, here we go. Now we got somewhere. We do have a problem with it, like moving unexpectedly, like if, like in a certain way, it's like not moving like I want it to, which isn't really what I want, so we're going to change a few things. Go to fairies, we're going to set all of these to massless, we don't need that. Humanoid, well, we can turn that off, but inevitably it's going to do that anyway, it's going to become a can collide, or at least I think it is. Oh wait, no it's not. It's can collide then. Yeah, so torso is going to be kind of can collide no matter what, and yeah, there's really nothing you can do about that, but hey. We don't need to set these to 0 because it's not going to be doing any of that. Health equals 1. Max slope angle equals 0. So yeah. Now let's go ahead and try again. See if we get the same glitches. Alright. Yeah, so it runs a lot smoother now because we turned massless on. And usually if you're having problems with like attaching things to the player, and the player like makes these weird awkward movements that you don't know why, usually all you need to do is turn on massless and that'll fix it. Hopefully. Sometimes it won't, sometimes it will. So anyway, let's keep working with positioning this. I want to move it backwards to 1. Alright. Alright, so that moved it forward. That's not quite what I want. 2.7, negative 1.2. Alright, see, that is a lot better. I want to move it a bit more to my side a little bit. So 0.5, maybe a bit backwards more. Let's do 7, why not? Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Sweet. Alright, so now that she's on my shoulder, let's go ahead and give it a bit of animation. So, local new animation equals. Actually, let's not do that yet. Not quite yet. Because actually no, we should do that. Equals new fairy dot idle animation. So we're going to go ahead and put an idle animation in here, or just an animation. There we go. We're going to call it idle animation. And I actually did, or I already have, or I already created an animation for it. So if you want, or actually I don't think other people will be able to use this animation, so you have to create one your own. However, if you want, you can use find animations that you want to use your own. I don't know. Just find an animation or have no animation. I don't really care. But anyway, now that we got that done, we're gonna go ahead and use this animation to new fairy dot humanoid load animation new fairy dot. Alright, and then what we'll do is once it gets into there, we'll do the new animation and then we'll play it. Alright, let's try this. Let's see if this works. Alright, looks like we got a bit of a problem. That's right. We changed the name of the humanoid to mob. So let's try this again. Alright, ooh, perfect. So yeah, now we have that little fairy on her shoulder, just floating up and down. And that looks really good, honestly. I'm really happy with that. So, I think we may have to make some changes though. So let's put a local script in here. And actually, we're gonna remove this from here. If you want, you can stop here and be like, okay, I'm happy, but we want to add text to this. So I'm gonna keep going. So we're gonna remove that. We don't need any more. And if you want, you can keep it this way, but I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. So we get this, we load it into there, and then we're gonna let the local script take over. So idle, we're gonna rename this because I don't like the name idle anime local script local player equals game dot players dot local player. That's always one of the things I want to start with local player. Humanoid equals, oh wait, no, character equals script dot parent. Nah. Local fairy equals script dot parent. Local humanoid equals fairy dot wait for child humanoid or mob. There we go. And local animation equals local idle equals that's going to equal humanoid load animation script dot idle anime. We won't. I don't think we'll need to wait for this because it's literally inside the script. So fairy script. All right, now this is where it gets really fun. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and create a button key. So mouse equals player get mouse. There we go. And I forgot how to get the keys for it, so let me look this up real quick. Okay, mouse.key down. Connect this with a function. Key, print key, and we can go ahead and start this. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. Whoops. Play. There we go. Alright, so yeah, now it looks a lot better. We can see that on the current server side it kind of looks like, oh, that's weird, why isn't it moving? But that's fine because we don't really need other players to see the animation. It doesn't really matter that much. It's just for like our own enjoyment. So, but yeah, we can see that now when I press keys that it actually checks them. So let's decide on a key. So I'm thinking what we'll do is we'll have T. We'll have T as our key. So if key dot if upper, no, I think it is key. Key dot upper equals T. Then print Magic Man. I'll test that real quick, make sure it's working right. Yep, we got an error. So how do we get strings or string to uppercase Roblox? I'll look up an answer. It's really simple. Ah, here we go. I forgot to use that. So I made a mistake here. It's string.upper and then we use key. So there we go. Let's go ahead and test this again one more time. Right. So if we press T, we get Magic Man. That's working properly. Let's go ahead and remove this. And let's make a list of things that we want the fairy to say. So fairy dialogue, voice list equals I like apples. They're very natural and super cool that you're working so hard. OMG, is that a butterfly? Wow. So yeah, this will be our dialogue. You can add more dialogue if you want, or you can just leave it like this, which is probably what I'm going to do, but yeah, whatever you want. So I'll have this like 3 little dialogues here, and what we will do is we'll have actually we'll create man, I'm not really sure. Yeah, I think I know what to do. A screen GUI. So we'll put the screen GUI over in here, and we'll actually be moving it in the end, but I just want to put it in here for a period of time. So let's put in a text label, turn the background as 1. Actually, no. Oh, I got a better idea. Sorry. No, that's better today. Alright. What we'll do instead is we'll put on head, or actually not on head, we'll put billboard GUI. That's much better. And we'll name it message, and then we will put a text label. There we go. So we'll go ahead and turn the background off on this because we don't need that. And then we'll put extends offset 1. So we'll extend it 1.2. There we go. So that's really good. That actually looks pretty nice. Let's go ahead and turn on the shadows on this. Let's make this text look just a tad bit nicer. Text size, we'll make it 20. And then we'll also make sure that it goes 50. Oh geez. Oh wait. Oh crap. I made a mistake here. There we go. That's better. So, and also we want to make the distance a bit different on here. But honestly, it actually won't really matter, so we'll just make sure that it doesn't say anything in the beginning. There we go. Label. Alright, now that we've got that done, we go ahead and go back to the script and make a few more variables. So local message equals fairy dot, or fairy wait for child, message. Alright, so when it presses that, or when it says string.upper, blah blah blah, we're going to make it print message 2 there. So, or we're going to make it say a message. So, message dot label dot text. Actually, message here. Let's wait for the label too. Alright. Message.text equals something for now. We're going to change it. And I know we have a list, but I don't really want to add that yet. Not quite yet. Oop. Wait, hold on. Oh no. What happened? Did we float? Oh, that's right. We didn't put it back in here. Alright. T. It says that. No, that's a bit of a problem. Let's see if I can move it somewhere else. Oh wait, no, that won't be a problem. We'll leave it right there. So, so we have a bit of problem there. So what we'll do instead is we'll have the idle animation stop, and then wait 2, and then we'll put the animation back on. And then we'll also clear this. There we go. So, what happens when we do this again? T, hello. Alright, so we have a bit of a problem though, because when it says hello, I don't like the positioning there, it's just really off. It seems to change too, so that's very odd. And I don't like that. So what we'll do instead is we'll actually, instead of stopping the animation, we will change the speed of it. So I'm going to look this up. Roblox animation speed. Alright, so idle.speed equals 0. And then after that, or no, we can't just do that, sorry. We need to change the speed. So idle adjust speed, we'll change it to 0, and then once it's over idle adjust speed, we'll turn it back to 1. So this will change the speed of the animation. Alright, so when I press that, it stops, hello, and then it goes back to it. Hello, and like no matter wherever I put it, then it will do that. And that's quite nice, I really like that. Next is the fun part. So, I don't want it to just say hello, that's kind of like that's I wanted to do, let's create a function. We'll have say this, and then we'll have the message or text, and then we'll have the duration. So like how long until that message gets deleted. Actually, no, we won't need that. So we'll have it like this. All right. So for if I need to, hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so I had to go ahead and actually look on how to do this because I kind of forgot, but so I grabbed a bit of script from somewhere and I'll show you how to do this properly. So let's remove a bit of text here. There we go. So we'll get the text or string dot len. This checks basically the length of the text, so how many characters are in it. And then what we'll do from here is use the text, and then yeah, that's basically it. So instead of print though, however, I forgot, we want to make print or not, we don't want it to be printing, but message.text. Alright, equals nice. So then we'll do the say this hello world. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and test this. T, hello world. Now I see I've already see a problem here, and that's that the idle animation didn't stop, or it did stop, but not how I wanted it. I mean, not only that, but the text was way too slow. So let's try this again. So I adjusted the text, so hopefully it'll print a bit faster. Hello world. Not only that, but the animation won't stop. Durr, kind of getting mad. Oh, that's why. So we'll set this beforehand. We don't need this wait animation, or actually we do. We'll wait 1.5 and then we'll delete the text. 1.2. Alright, and then I want to do wait just there. Alright, this will look a lot better. So T, hello world, and then it goes back to its normal. So I like that. Maybe wait just a tad bit longer. Alright, but while it's saying this, I also want it to play a sound effect. So we'll have message, and then we'll also have the local sound equals fairy, and then we'll move the sound out here. Actually, no, it should be inside the head. Alright, sorry, where was I? I got a message from somewhere. But anyway, let's go ahead and keep going with this. So, now that I've got all this, I want to get the fairy, wait for child, head, and then wait for child. Sound. And we have this little twinkle sound effect, right? So that's what we'll be using. So I'm going to go ahead and put it here. Sound, play, and also change some of the sound dot play back speed equals math dot random 1 to 2 or 2.3. There we go. So let's see if that actually worked correctly. Nope. So here's a problem. We have to go ahead and change the position of the sound. So sound dot time position equals 1. Or no, it'll be 0.3. So let's see if that actually worked. Yeah, there we go. That actually works a bit better. I'm going to put it at 4. Yeah, that's a lot better. Sounds a bit glitchy, but that's fine. Let's make a few edits with it, just to make it sound a bit better. Alright, not too bad. Let's keep going. Alright, not too bad. Now what I want to do is I want to actually make the talking animation, so well, actually, let's make a new variable. Sound equals head local, and we'll change this to head. Now local mouth equals head, wait for child, and then we have the mouth part. There we go. So mouth dot transparency equals 0, and then when it stops talking, it equals 1. So let's see if that actually looks nice. Not quite. How can we make that look a bit better? 0.1. Oh, I know what I did. Here we go. This will fix it. This will make the timeout, or the text take a bit longer to actually work, but that's fine. Alright, but that's good. Next I want to do a little bit of different, or do just a tad bit more, and then I think this very script will look really nice. So I'm going to fix some of these. I don't like how they're worked out. Dot sound. That should run perfectly fine, or at least I think so. Dot label. There we go. And then we want to get the player, or the camera. So game.workspace .camera. Alright. And this will be the good stuff. This will be a real sock kicker. I don't know what you'd call it. Oh, I'm gonna call it that though. Man, I'm getting really tired. I apologize. But anyway, one thing I want to do actually, I do want to make a flag variable, because I don't want this do anything when it's already been done. So if string and flag and not flag, then flag equals true, and then we wait till the end, and then flag equals false. So yeah. Say this hello world, that'll work. Yeah, that works a lot better. Alright, so now we'll mess around with the camera. So, repeat camera dot camera type. Oh wait, no, not subject. Camera type equals enum dot camera type dot scriptable until that equals that. Now the reason we're doing this is because for some odd reason, like if you're going to change the camera type, it usually will result in a few problems. Like for example, it won't properly change, and I don't know why. I think it's just a great glitch with this the engine itself, but we're going to go ahead and keep repeating that until it actually does change. Now, after that, you can go ahead and take the camera and then the C-frame, and then we're going to change the camera C-frame to, we'll change it to the or what is it? What should we change it to? I don't even know. Let's actually pull up our character, player.character.humanoid root part, and then C-frame times C-frame dot new 0, 0, and then 5. Alright, let's see what that does. Alright, so that goes behind it, but I want to go in front of it instead. So minus, and then we'll also go ahead and change that. And we want it to turn around. So C-frame dot angles 0, 0, 0 math.rad 90. There we go. So this may result in a huge crap ton of errors, but we'll see what we get. Yeah, that's a huge error. So we'll take this and there we go. Math.rad 180. Alright, let's go ahead and play that, see if we get the right result. So basically we're making the camera go outward and then flipping it. We're going to try and flip it all the way around so that it's facing us. So we're getting a bit of a problem though because it's flipping upside down, as you can see. But I think I know how to fix it. So alright. Alright, there we go. So now that we have that, yeah, it's going to stay like that. However, we're going to fix that, so don't worry. Hello world. So we want to get a bit closer, actually. Let's try 7. Hello world. Just a tad bit closer. And then we want to move it upwards so that we can actually see our fairy. Or the camera is centered on the fairy. Yeah, that's not too bad actually. Now after we do all of that, we want to make sure that we set the camera back to its original. So I'm going to actually do that all the way over here because that's where it gets out. So what we do is we set it back to custom, and that would be the original. So now I think that's all. I think we completed our, oh wait, no, I'm sorry, we forgot one more thing. Hello world. Oh wait, yeah, we forgot a couple of things actually. So one thing I wanted to do actually was core routine.zoom, core routine.create a function. So this is another way you can spawn. So remember in the other episode when we spawned a function? This essentially does the same thing. So we're going to create a function. We're going to have it go for just a few seconds. So create, and there we go. we want it to be game gets service stepped. Or wait, no. How's it go? Roblox stepped. Oh, it's run service. Dot stepped function and we'll copy that. We'll put it inside here. We'll put this as a debounce. Local. And when it's over, we'll debounce this and set it to, or disconnect it. There we go. After that's all done, we can go ahead and play it again to see the fruits of our labor. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, crap. What did we do wrong? Oh, wait. Oh, we don't even need this. I'm stupid. That's what I did wrong. Alright, so once we have that running, we'll go ahead and put this weight inside of there. We're actually going to put a lot of things inside of here. And then, let's try this again. Whew, this video is actually kind of turning out to be long. Oh man, step to user data. What did I do wrong? I swear everything's right here. 24. Attempt to call field stepped at user data value. That's what I did wrong. Connect. Okay, here we go. Fixed it. So now that we can actually do this, hello world. Yeah, it's getting really weird there, but that's fine because hello world. Yeah, alright. And then it disconnects. Yeah, I'm really happy with this actually. Now we'll make the final little piece and then we're done. So instead of having hello world, we're going to actually have voice list voice list, and then these close math.random. We'll have it 1, 2, voice list. Alright, so this basically just picks a random one from the voice list. Once we play that one more time, we can see that, oh crap, string expected got no. Wait, what? Oh, that's why. I'm really confused now. Why isn't that working? We did math.ran. There we go. Math.random. Alright, now we can go ahead and play this. Super cool that you're working so hard. Wow, thanks. OMG, is that a butterfly? Wow. I like apples, they're very natural. Oh geez, that a butterfly. Okay, I actually like this. But anyway, so that's how you create a fairy in Roblox. I almost said Minecraft, but no, this is Roblox. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.